What is up, ninjas? My name is Several, and today is Saturday, and I'm going to a rave, which I usually don't do, but if I'm gonna go play hard, I gotta work harder. So today's video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get your drums to sound better, to have more depth, to actually have more story to them rather than, hey, I'm just drums. No, now you're drums with this little tip that I'm gonna give you guys. Now, if you hear a lot of music from tech house guys, which sounds like this.
Let's go dancing. I wanna go dancing with you all night dancing.
Now, I know I showed a tech house song, so if you're making another genre, do not click out of this fucking video. Because this is something that you can implement in any genre of music, guys, to just get your drums to have more depth to them, alright? So, what we're gonna be doing in today's tutorial, guys, is very simple. We're gonna have a little drum loop, we're gonna duplicate it, and we're gonna put ping pong and reverb on it, and we're gonna sidechain the crap out of it. Now, what this is meant to do is pretty simple. We're gonna have this be in the background while we have our main drums be in the front, and these sounds in the background are gonna add little ping pong, little reverb vibes here and there, which is gonna make your drums sound a lot better, as you're gonna see in this tutorial. So guys, in this tutorial we are going to be utilizing a free download that I made for you guys this morning. Again, I gotta work hard to play harder, and it's going to be drums for tech house style of music. But again, this tutorial is useful for any producer making any style of genre that has drums, which is most genres. So make sure to check out the free download, guys, and also Dirty Chicken Sounds that came out a week ago, and it's been doing really great. Thank you guys for supporting it so much. Like, really, it means the world to me because you guys help me keep making these videos, helping a lot of producers out there, and hopefully these tips that I give you help you as well. Let's get started with this tutorial. Alright guys, so here we are inside of Ableton. Now we're going to be implementing a drum loop first, making it with the free samples I'm going to give to you. Yeah. And then we're going to implement just the tip, like you're used to saying, and hopefully it works out for you. But again, you know, this tip is not going to be good for all scenarios. It's going to be good for some. So you got to be a good producer in the way of like, hey, I can use this tip here because right now my drums are kind of lacking. So let's get the drum beat going and you'll see what I'm talking about, guys. We do have a bass going from the Dirty Chicken Silent One sound set. I think this is going to be good there. Yeah, fucking sits smoothly. Like butter going through a knife. All right, so, or a knife going through butter. We're going to put a clap. Yeah, we're just going to put an open hat. I'm gonna go with this. That's two, yeah. There we go. This one so has a little bit more release, standard 909. And we're just gonna do the standard generic offbeat, which never fails. It's all about the depth, the vocals, and the synths you put on top that really make a track. Spice it up a bit with an open hat. I'm just gonna add it here and there, and you're gonna see the difference that it's gonna make right now when we implement the I'm gonna add a little perk to make things even more interesting. You know, we don't like boring. There we go. So what we're gonna do is duplicate our little drum bus, and now the second drum bus, what you're gonna be adding is pretty much just washing it off with like reverb, Ping Pong Delay, and you can mess with the signal flow, which is just when people say signal flow, guys, it just means like how everything is routed, like what comes first, because anything in front of a plugin, like let's say here I have a reverb and then a ping pong, then the reverb will be ping ponged. It makes sense, right? All right, we're gonna add a bit of a compression there. That's gonna go down on it like so. And then we're gonna sidechain the crap out of it, and you're gonna see how much depth it adds to this. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Lower the volume, of course. You get the idea there. We can mess around with these settings as well. To get that really cool vibe, guys. And I swear this tip is so useful for adding depth. Now, you can take things over like, yo, Sen, that's kind of cool, but you know, what's up? I'm gonna add a chorus or a phaser or a flanger. Do it! Because that's how you get unique, guys. You just try out different little things that will get you there. So if I had a flanger, take it off. put it on. It gives you that swing. Oh shit, and just be careful with that ping pong. You can automate stuff down when you go into the break and stuff. But it's that simple, guys. So the tip I'm trying to show you guys is to duplicate your drums, have it reverb, ping pong, or I don't know what the hell you want to do, distort more, I don't know, but just make sure it's not as strong as the original drum loop, and it will add a fresh vibe to what you have, because again, it's adding more depth. You're using what you already have to give it more depth. It's like you already have your body, take care of it, you know. You need to tell me that because I have a little belly, but pretty much take care of it, you know, and accentuate it instead of putting a piece of plastic on the boob to make it huge. You know, here I'm gonna try a chorus. So again, the sky's the limit with this tip, guys, and I want you guys to try this out for yourselves. And if you find cool little chains, you know, share them in the comments down below. Let me know what's up. But that is gonna be the tutorial, guys. You guys can download these free drum loops over at Evil Sounds. Holy shit, I'm messing up. And that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna go to a rave. I'm gonna start drinking. So you guys take care. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing weekend, guys. And I'll see you on Monday for a brand new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this.